Sorry about that. It seems that I was missing an S there. And so, if we send it, we are going to get back that same information that we saw when we used the website, except this time our data is verified.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Well, that was Alexa. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and turn this into a middleware for our request. So let's say, for example, instead of getting auth, I want to get some data. And if we try this now, we're going to get it. But we wanna hide this. So how do we do that? We can do, instead of placing this here, I can do turn it into a function, and instead of sending the data once we've verified, we're just going to call next. Another thing we can do is that because we want, let's say, a user-specific data, let's actually create a little bit of dummy data here. Now what we can do is we can actually set the request, a variable on the request that will get passed down through to the next part of our request. So whether that would be another middleware or that would be the API endpoint that we'll hit, we can modify it a little bit. So what we can do is that for request, we can say that request.user is equal to data.user. And so what will happen here is that when I make that request, first, actually, I'll get forbidden. Or rather, I will not get any response back because I don't have the correct header. So I'll go ahead and grab this header. Okay, and just to prove that this won't work without it, that's forbidden. And what we can also do is that instead of sending just this text, we can verify here on this end that we are getting, that is our request. So the information that we made publicly available, we are now sending it back inside our request.user so that it's getting passed down to the next one. So here we can actually just say dummy data correct user ID. Just prove that this is different. Next, here we should get hello user 1. Perfect.